Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Among human beings, the society which is divided according to quality and work is best. And in that society, the intelligent men, who are designated as Brahmins, are best. Among the Brahmins, one who has studied the Vedas is the best, and among the Brahmins who have studied the Vedas, one who knows the actual purport of Veda is the best. The system of 4 classifications in human society according to quality and work is very scientific. This system of Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras has now become vitiated as the present caste system in India, but it appears that this system has been current a very long time, since it is mentioned in Srimad Bhagwatam and Bhagavad Gita. Unless there is such a division of the social orders in human society, including the intelligent class, the martial class, the mercantile class and the labourer class, there is always confusion as to who is to work for what purpose. A person trained to the stage of understanding the absolute truth is a Brahman, and when such a Brahman is Vedajya, he understands the purpose of Veda. The purpose of Veda is to understand the absolute. One who understands the absolute truth in 3 phases, namely Brahm, Paramatma and Bhagwan, and who understands the term Bhagwan to mean the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is considered to be the best of the Brahmins, or a Vaishnav.